Can Read Speaker for Schoology read quizzes or tests in Schoology? Yes, it can. Begin by clicking on the quiz. Click on Start Attempt. Click on the Read Speaker for Schoology extension. Let's listen to the true-false question. Highlight the question. Click Listen.
The Read Speaker for Schoology extension can only read inside Schoology.
Now, highlight each answer and click Listen.
True. False.
We know the answer is false, because we can also read Google Docs, Word Online, and the open web. You can also listen to other question types. Let's listen to this multi-answer question. Highlight the question, and click Listen.
Which tools are on the lower toolbar of Read Speaker for Schoology?
Highlight each answer, and click Listen.
Reading language. Settings. Listen. Schoology logo.
We know the answers are reading language, settings, and the Schoology logo. And finally, for this video, let's listen to a short essay question. Highlight the question, and click Listen.
Write a short paragraph about which tools are most beneficial to you in Read Speaker for Schoology. Defend each tool by answering why, for the tool choice.
Let's listen to what we typed.
My favorite tool is the snapshot tool, because I can OCR the typed words on diagrams. This helps me to learn how to pronounce the words correctly.
If your teacher allows you to, you can go back to previous questions to review them before submitting the quiz. Click Finish, and then click Yes. Now, if you are allowed to have oral testing, you are ready to begin.